It's a gorgeous day in the district, and I thought, why not take you all on a tour with me of the neighborhood in Georgetown? On y va, let's go. Greetings, I'm Sean, and I create videos to help you walk with confidence, explore new places, and live life without regrets. If you're new here, consider subscribing. The Four Seasons. They have the best spa and amenities to go with their spa. I haven't been to Georgetown since the pandemic. I have a video on this wine bar. Click the link above. Something about China. Look at this, Georgetown. So you know it's the pandemic. Look how calm it is. Happy hour. Alright. I always said I was gonna try this place one day. Look at this. Oh. Okay. But you know what? Let's go up here first and see. Okay. Here at Nick's having lunch at the Georgetown Harbor. It's so beautiful. Yay, thank you.
Ladies, let me know whenever you're ready to order anything else.
Her drink is so refreshing. I was like, I gotta get one. Oh, cheers! Cheers! Oh my God, look at this. That does look yummy. I got the crab cake. You got the tacos. And there's always live entertainment. Here's the Apple store. Oh my God, y'all. It's a Wawa. Georgetown has a Wawa. See, you never know where you'll find murals in DC. DC 51, this is a statehood mural. Nice. The little gems in Georgetown that you just have to walk and discover. Christophe. That's a nice French bakery. Let's go. Boulangerie Christophe.
Inside?
Yes.
Is it good?
I've never had it.
Okay, then I'll be safe with the crab then. I'll have a vanilla extract.
you've enjoyed the tour of the Georgetown neighborhood and the Georgetown Harbor waterfront. If you're in DC, it's a great place to visit. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, like, thumbs up, and share this video. Until next time.